As you might have noticed, 2019 has been a rough year for many businesses. But it doesn't have to be this way this year. So how can you make 2020 a highly profitable year for your business? Well, you can start by not doing what many others out there are doing. When everyone is slashing prices, throwing in free gifts and telling everyone that they are the best, there is actually a better way than sacrificing your profits and making your business look like everyone else. This better way is to focus on connecting your product or service with your target buyer's desires instantly and drive them to action. By using the right words in the right sequence in all your ads, social posting, landing pages, sale pages, emails, and even your videos. We call this persuasive copywriting that sells. You see, in the fast fish eat slow fish market nowadays, you need persuasive copywriting to, firstly, convey your message that connects your product or services with their desires instantly. Secondly, make every single one of your offers highly irresistible. And lastly, of course, drive your target buyers to take action right away and refer more buyers to you. Now, you may be thinking, but I need to run my business. I don't have the time to learn a new skill. Well, here's the good news. You don't need a lot of time to learn persuasive copywriting. You just need a proper system to find the right pieces of information and assemble them together. And when you are able to do that, you will be amazed at the dramatic improvements in your sales and profits. Just imagine the day where you no longer have to slash your prices to battle your competitors. And you have a loyal tribe of buyers who will love whatever you sell and even recommend their friends to you all the time. Wouldn't that be a wonderful and a better way to run your business? Now, if you're keen and willing to acquire this highly valued skill, then come and join our upcoming Magnetic Persuasion Mastery class. This is where we give you the proven system to assemble profit-pulling sales copy for your business, plus a bonus module worth up to $499 to help you close even more deals. Click the link or the button below to see the details now. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.